Look at that. Yeah, they're pretty regular. And it's a beautiful morning. Oh, and it's whiting out now. It's, what's the date today, George?
The date today is the 18th of August.
18th of August, and there's no swell. The only one in the water is Abe. Abe's praying for a wave. But it is a beautiful morning, and this is George James. Good morning. From Juicy Beans, you got to go to Juicy Beans.
It's a beautiful morning.
It is. See ya.
Fantastic.
And the boys. And on this prestigious morning, young John repaired my board. He put on a nice new repair job right here. Look at that. Thanks, John.